For f of x as given, use interval notation to write the domain of f. And we have f of x equals x over x minus 7. We have a fraction, little expression here, and the denominator cannot be 0. In other words, we cannot divide by 0. So if we set x minus 7 equal to 0 and solve, we get x equals 7. And this number cannot be in the domain. Every other number except this can be in the domain. If x is 7, that makes the denominator 0. So we write the domain as the set of all real numbers except 7, which we need to write as a union of intervals. We need to write that as the interval from negative infinity up to 7, not including 7, union the interval from 7, not including 7, up to infinity. What this gives us is all the numbers from negative infinity to infinity except for 7, and this would be the domain of the function.